Are you ready to see which shades will be used on your future phone? Samsung's the Galaxy S25 series, of which Elite recently unveiled a teaser, is breathtakingly gorgeous. Verifying January 22nd, the big day. Samsung will formally launch its Galaxy S25 line in 2025, so mark that date on your calendars. But the fun doesn't end there. A new leak from the legend the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra's official colors were revealed by Evan Blass. The colors of the Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus are mint, navy, pink, gold, silver shadow, coral red, black, blue, and AC blue. Titanium S25 Ultra hues include jet black, pink gold, silver, blue, white, gray, black, and jade green. Although this selection may appear wide, some of these shades will only be available on Samsung.com, as is traditional. The stunning pink gold, jade green, and jet black versions, for instance, are allegedly only available online, while the other colors might serve as the main store color scheme. It's interesting to note that Samsung is focusing entirely on blue this year, offering the S25 and S25 Plus in 3 different colors: ice blue, blue, black, and navy, but no violet. Regarding the previously suspected sparkling colors, including sparkling green and sparkling blue, they are not present in this recent leak, suggesting that Samsung is leaning towards stylish blues for 2025. This time around, Samsung appears to have opted for more conventional names. With a titanium build, an integrated S Pen, flat edges, a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite, and a camera system that outperforms its predecessor's exceptional performance, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is probably going to stay true to its premium legacy. With the Galaxy S25 series arrival just a month away, anticipation is soaring. Whether it's Samsung's ability to surprise or the striking new colors and cutting-edge hardware, these phones are expected to be the best of 2025. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.